Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best girls' wool socks for ages 8 to 10 years old, your search ends here. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a product that has become a go-to for parents during the chilly months. The FNOVCO Kids Merino Wool Hiking Socks. At first glance, you might think, socks are just socks. But once you get into the details of these FNOVCO wool socks, you'll see why they're far from ordinary. This pack includes 6 pairs of thick, warm, cozy crew socks, perfect for active little feet that need warmth, comfort, and durability during winter hikes, playtime, or just lounging around. Let's talk about comfort. These socks are made with a carefully balanced wool blend, 45% wool, 40% polyester, and 15% spandex. A snug fit, gentle stretch, and breathable warmth. The inner lining is soft and fuzzy, providing a plush layer that feels luxurious against the skin without being scratchy, something kids are very quick to complain about if the texture isn't right. Now, let's get into the construction. FNOVCO socks are reinforced at the toe and heel, which helps them hold up to the rough and tumble energy of kids. Whether your little one is running through the snow, hiking up trails, or just running around the house, these socks are built to last. No more worrying about holes after a few wears. Another thing worth highlighting is their breathability. Even though these are thick winter socks, they don't trap moisture. This is incredibly important for foot health. Wool naturally wicks away moisture, and the polyester in the blend enhances that effect. Your child's feet stay warm, but not sweaty, a crucial detail when you're out in the cold all day. The sizing is also thoughtfully laid out. You got 3 options. Small for toddlers aged 1 to 3, medium for little kids aged 4 to 7, and large for older kids aged 8 to 12. Since we're focusing on the 8 to 10-year-old range, the large size is what you're going to want. It provides a comfortable, secure fit without slipping down or bunching up, which, let's face it, can ruin any child's mood on a cold day. Design-wise, these socks are adorable. The pair we're featuring today comes in a cute snowflake pattern, festive, fun, and winter-ready. They also work well as a layering sock under boots. So whether it's for skiing, sledding, or just heading to school in the snow, these won't disappoint. Care is easy, too. These are machine washable, which is a must for any kid's wardrobe staple. No special handling, no hang drying. Just throw them in with the rest of the laundry. And here's where it gets even better, these make fantastic gifts. Whether you're filling up a Christmas stocking, building a winter care package, or just looking for a practical birthday gift, these are a crowd pleaser. They're practical, cute, and high quality, a combination that's surprisingly hard to come by. They offer warmth, comfort, durability, and breathability all in one package. With reinforced construction, fun designs, and a great price point, these socks definitely earn our stamp of approval. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on reviews of the best products for your family. Until next time, keep those little toes warm.